Hayi ngicela ukubuza ke ningiphendule. Nani kuphi? Nani kuphi? Nani kuphi? Ngiyabuza ukuthi nani kuphi mhla mina lo wonke mina wonke lo ngiqoma indoda eyayinenkiwi eyayiphela ngaphezu kwamadolo. Ngikutshela ukuthi ngikhuluma ngenkiwi mina into eyayithi umuntu maye ebenuza ephupha kamnandi kwenzeke bese yalunyelwa yona lo kiwi vele imlumele ibabe athi mayinwaya ithi ngathi isikhumba sendlovu. Yazini.
Hello, sanibonani Dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona esihambela le kude phezulu. Do join.
Yazini. Hayi, shem. Le angeke ngikwazi ukuyixoxa ngisopha. Ngeke ngikwazi ukuyixoxa ngisopha kodwa iyangishisa and ngiyadinga ukuthi ningitshele ukuthi ngangingenwe yini. Ngempela ngangingenwe yini. Lalelani ke. Unyaka oka 2021. Unyaka ka 2021 I've just turned 43. Uyasibona lesisho lesi sithi life begins at 40. Angazi ukuthi ubani waqhamuka naso ezweni ebuyapi engenelwe yini esidakelwa ngoba kwenze njani ngoba wake wasifakela ipressure. Nami ke I'm in my early 40s and ngine pressure engayazi ukuthi iqhamukapi lapho ipressure yami is doubled by the fact that ukuthi phela mina ngithi uyakhumbula ukuthi ngiphuma kwi divorce. Njoba ngiphuma kwi divorce nje angazi ukuthi ngiexpecte what miracle and at the back of my head ngangisena into ukuthi hayi man ngizomthola omunye futhi nje uyabona lo ngizongithola uzobe rich right ngizoshada nami kanjani. And manje senginalento ethi Zandile, lower your class, lower your standards. Ukuze ube happy ngoba you'll never know ukuthi happiness yakho iqhamuka ngakephi. Yimi lo waya ngiqoma indoda. Ngiyithatha phi indoda? Ngifakelwa ubizo wami. Hayi ngoba ngimxoxela ngobizo ukuthi ngizoyifaka le ndaba la kuma Story Times. Ngimfakelwa ubizo wami ohlala ngapha ko Johannesburg. Ubizo we have nje a long term girlfriend relationship naye. Sahlangana ku Facebook in some group and saklicka sagcina si group sagcina nje siyabo siloyo into. If you wanna know how am I taking care of my skin today, I am using a 2K collagen eye mask. It comes with 60 pieces inside and it's available at Shein. Shein, if you want to order this, you can use my code. I'm going to drop it down on the description box down below and you'll get a massive discount, up to 50% discount uma ngabe u order this using my code. I've got a shoot on Saturday, ending in a stress. Lalela, cheers to you nawe. Ngicela ungangijudge. Ulesine njoba ngiqoqa lesi story. Kusasa ngiyavuka ngemsebenzini ngineyinkinga eziningi and uyabona inkinga zami zenza ukuthi ngome. Izinkinga zami zihlala straight ekhanda. Ngiyakha ngapha abakhi abaye kukwakha because basabisa omakhelwane ukuthi bangenelele indabeni zabo endaweni. Uyabona kuningi. Anihalele ungiphi donation. Anihalele nje ungiphi donation ngoba izinkinga zami eziningi ngazi zidinga imali futhi zonke. So lo I really need it. Uthi angithi nje yabo. So lalela, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Remember ukuthi this is our story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. It's a story time. Yeah, hey. Lalela ke indaba esixoxa la ekhazi yakhulisa zenza nje ukuthi impilo uyibone ngelinye ilihlo. Nawe ke uma ukuthi une story sakho ofisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga usixoxele sona ungalenzi iphutha ngi-DM ngikhona ku TikTok. I'm Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka. I'm Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka on TikTok. I'm Meaningful Conversations with Uzandi Mfeka on Facebook. Ngilandele on Facebook. That is where I get more of the stories. People they DM me on Facebook there for most of the stories engingixoxela zona la. So nawe ke ungalenzi iphutha ngilandele ila uzongithola khona. nawe monesakho istory ngixoxela istory sakho ungangi-DM ku-Facebook, ungangi-DM ku-Instagram, follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, follow me on TikTok. So but today istory engiza naso kade le ndaba iloku ingishisa le ndaba. Hayi namhlanje ngizincamile ngathi hayi nginixoxele ngoba nina nayideserve vele nayideserve. Yeah. Kwaku-2021, I've just turned 43 and lapho it was 4 or 5 years after my divorce. It's just that it's one of the things that I never celebrate. I don't count the years and I don't care. So I think it was around there 4 or 5 years after my divorce. So nginale pressure leyo ukuthi uyayibona le pressure leyo ukuthi kuthiwe life begins at 40 and mina ngiyabona ukuthi hayibo nango wami life begins at 40 ubeginile and ubegine on a very bad note because now ngingene kuma 40s wami while mina ngidivorced. So I don't know ukuthi ubanike owayethe akumelanga ukuthi ungene kuma 40s ungekho divorced, kodwa kwakuyileso story nje kwakunokuthi nje nginalo pressure ukuthi I'm entering my 40s, I'm in my early 40s and I've just recently got divorced and impilo ngiyibone ngazi ukuthi iyangishiya. So literally I'm chasing after life. I want a relationship, I want a healthy relationship, and I even want a possible marriage if kungenzeka. Ngifuna nje umuntu ongazi ukuthi uyayazi into ayifunayo in life. So I've got this friend of mine, Uzandi, hlale Vosloorus, Uzandi, and Uzandi at the time she was looking so happy ubizo wami enomuntu wakhe nje ababe busy naye yabona nje ubona nje ukuthi ku right ku-umthi kulithi ngize ngithi kuyela ngelanga webizo phela ungifakela umuntu nami hayibo ngaze ngafa kuba impohlo engathi laba abekho ke user friendly wayeshelelela kangaka lo ngithi ngaze ngafa kuba impohlo awungifakele phela nambizo umuntu aningabi happy nodwa. Uyabona mangabe kuthiwa ungayihaleli into yomuntu if kuthiwa ungayihaleli into yomuntu kwakusuke kusho into efana nale ukuthi ungabuki into ile kude bosocabanga ukuthi ngoba naku it looks golden and beautiful on the outside, it's possibly gold. So nami ke ngikuleso simo ukuthi ngihalela into zabantu manje ngoba phela vele ngithi ngingedwa empilweni athi ubizo hayi bizo wami Nkosi yami ukhona nje umuntu omngane womuntu wami kodwa nje angikuwonishe nje bizo ukuthi nje uyabona nje lento yenu yokuthi nibe nama standards alapha ya konisiza ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ke nihlisa ama standards ukuze nithole ini i-happiness. Ukhona nje mina umuntu engimazi engicabanga ukuthi nje nobabili ni single no two ningafanelana kwathini kodwa ke don't expect too much ngoba lo muntu umuntu nje yabo is just a person nje futhi akafundanga abo chaza ngithi okay fine awuyekela ukuchaza bize uze nomuntu ezobizo wami nomuntu angihlanganise nomuntu angihlanganisa ubizo nomuntu bangangihlanganisa nobuntu ungihlanganisa nengqomondo yento ende lapha esho ngomkhabo ongaka i-yellow bone. Bangithi ngiyayibuka lento ngiyayibuka nakuma pictures waya ngisendelayo uyabona ke le uyathanda uthande, this is absolutely not my type, but nginale mentality manje ethi hlisa i-standard ukuze uthole i-happiness. You'll never know ukuthi i-happiness yakho ukuthi uzoyithola ngakephi. At that time, I am employed by one institution of higher learning. Eyayizibiza nge-institution na Nkosi yami of higher learning kodwa yo kwakungasoundi engakusho ukuthi ngangihlukumezekile lapha and I was working in a highly pressurized environment. Ngiphethwe intombazane yengisi u-Emilong akahlaza akarude kungazi ukuthi ubipolar uma kumsukile u-Emilong uvela avuke eksena abize meeting for everyone online, abize meeting and give ambize meeting nje yo let me do not dwell into this one because the story is not about that, but okusalayo ngangihlukumezekile. I was working from home yebo, the salary was good yebo, but nje okubalekile ukuthi I was not happy. And yabona mangabe kuthi usizi liyakwazi kubokwalo, that was the situation that happened with me. Ngithe ngisathola lo msebenzi and ngangikade ngiqale kulo msebenzi ngoFebruary. Lo muntu wami mina ngamfakela ngabo May June, just after lo yabona nje April May lapho nje. So manje into eyenzakalayo la ukuthi one, I'm always working. Ngivuka ngiqala ukusebenza ngo-5 a.m. in the morning. Well, I used to wake up 5 a.m. in the morning, run for like an hour because I was working from home full time. Run for an hour, I come back, I bath, and from that moment ngihlale esihlalweni ngisebenza up until 5, 9, 10, 11 p.m. Yo, the way umsebenzi wakhona owawumningi ngakhona wawungapheli umsebenzi wakhona. There was always one task after another, one project after another, and I just could not get used to projects and in a paperwork. I was not even feeling like I'm an academic. This is the private institution of higher learning. They claim ukuthi ba online, but online wabo we mess, and as we mess, mina ke manje umuntu nomuntu kufanele azibonele ukuthi uyilungisa kanjani imesi yakhe ama students akho ukuze aphase, ngoba egcineni kosuku you have students that need to learn, that are here to learn, and those students need to pass. That is when I was so much into YouTube, doing teaching on YouTube, but I was teaching because now this is the only form of platform I can actually have access to. So nje full time I'm working online, yonke into ngibusy online. Yacabanga uma ngabe unale loneliness, unale void in your life, you wake up in the morning, you just go run, mawubuya go run uyageza, mawuqeda ukugeza uhlala emsebenzini, yonke impilo yakho Monday to Sunday is just work. It's not healthy. And ngicela ukusho ukuthi to those of you abanale pressure ukuthi kuthiwe life begins at 40, lalela, u40 is just another year in your life that God blesses you with, and you must be grateful because baningi abantu in our generation who never lives to see the age ka40. So yeah, low situation whereby actual life begins at 40 and all that kind of nonsense, right? I think our lighting is better now. Oh yeah, I think yeah, it's much better. So yeah, it's that situation ngicela siyeni part 2 ngiyonichazela ukuthi ungihlanganisa kanjani ubizo nalo muntu and kwenzeka kanjani mina ngigcine sengizithola sengihlala kwakhe.